I am Rohan Amal Hassan, a Rohingya refugee and a poet on the world's largest refugee camp from Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. I am a member of archival team of this project, Akhali. I am gonna recite my poem, which I composed for this project. The title of my poem is The Identity I Uphold. The identity I uphold. Myanmar denies my identity in fear of my return to my homeland. Bangladesh acknowledges my identity in fear of my prolonged stay within their territory. Meanwhile, the Rakhine ethnic rejects my identity in fear of having to share our historical legacy. I will not speak of the term Rohingya that remain unbound in the document I safeguard during the flames of genocide. I will not mention the fate of Rohingya that have been erased from the annals of history, evidence of my existence. I will not highlight the photographs I stumbled upon years later within my grandparents' dilapidated box. Neither I will remind you of the historical heritages that still endure on the soil of Arakan, obscured by overgrowth and debris. I will not sing the ancient melodies, folk songs, lullabies, and poignant verses that encapsulated the lives and the narratives of my forefathers. There exists numerous other substantiations of my identity as a Rohingya, an indigenous inhabitant of Arakan. I hope against elaborating on this. Why does my profound affection for Arakan course through my being, permeating my very being? Is it a falsehood? How can I discern the subtle notes of the wind that transpasses the sky? The air in Arakan beckons to me, as if acquainted with me for an eternity. Why does the resonance of my voice echo across the Mayu mountain from far? When I call out, it responds me, seemingly lamenting for me incessantly. The breeze crossing the borders carries with it the essence of Arakan. As I inhale it, every cell in my body longs to return. Because of this identity, I found myself seeking refuge in a distant land, directly under the shelter of it, away from genocidal landscape where my once beloved home is. Thank you so much.